What's up, universe? It's me, MG Flores, and I'm here again for another vlog. Okay, I'm sorry for that, guys. It's just that my ceiling is not fixed yet, so whatever. Yeah, I just got home from workout and I'm wearing this dress. And yes, guys, you've seen it, right? I'm wearing this little headband that I got from Shopee. Yeah, if you are interested in this, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. And I wore this during my workout because I don't have any headbands right now. Today, no, I mean tonight. It's nighttime already. As you can see, it's nighttime. While I was changing outfits and arranging my stuff, and as you can see, it is not arranged yet. I was unpacking my bag. I received my parcel a while ago from SHEIN. Yeah, and that is what I'm going to wear. One of the outfits that I'm planning to wear on my nieces. Yeah, nieces. Nieces. Yeah, because she is the daughter of my cousin. So she is my niece. My niece, right? My toes. She's Franceen. Yeah. Hi, baby girl. If you are watching this vlog, I believe you're already like 4, 5 years old, 6 or whatever, for as long as you can understand what I'm saying right now. Yeah, I love you, baby girl. I'm gonna show you the outfits that I'm planning to wear in Francine's first birthday. And you know what, guys? Kanya ko agaw, my cousin is very demanding what to wear, and the theme is summer madness, like that. So it's very, my background is just so damn. Okay, let me just sit down. There you go. Better. Okay, so yeah, the theme is gonna be summer madness, so it's gonna be something like this one. Yeah, that's what she sent me. So I had to order from online shops. Yeah, because that's the most accessible way right now, you know. I had to like choose from a lot of outfits, and I am very amazed that it arrived in less than a week, because I actually thought that this SHEIN product will arrive after the birthday, but luckily it arrived earlier. Whoa! Damn. And I would really love to hear your comments about it. I'm not a fashion guru or something. Maybe during my next vlog, I'm gonna feature you if I have actually chosen the outfit that you just commented, right? So probably your comments would give an impact to my decision on what to wear during Francine's birthday. So yeah, comment down below, guys. So this is how my table looks like for tonight. I just got home from workout. I got this one, my towel, oh, my shirt, because I was really excited to like open the SHEIN product, which I actually already opened. I'm just gonna show you later. And yes, I just also used my new shoes from Nike, and this is, or how do you call that? Is it Nike or Nike or Nike? Nike. Just comment it down, guys. Here's the shoes. Yeah. I'd love to make a video about the things that I recently just bought online. It's like online shops haul, right? Yeah. So yeah, I got pearls. These are from my mom when she was younger. Yeah, I don't know why, but she had a lot of these. Yeah, and I got lighter because I got here my candle, scented candle, that's from bloomessence.ph. And if you want to purchase from them, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Duh. I also have here my my earrings. Yeah, and this box, I also got this from Shopee if you want to purchase that one. I also got my earrings right here. Thank you, pendientes.co. You are very much loved here. This one's also from Pendientes. This one also is from Pendientes. And this one also is from Pendientes. I got a lot of Pendientes stuff right here. Yes, I have these very visible ugats, very visible nerves. I got this from my mom. My cousins also from my mom's side, they also got this one. Anyway, I guess we really have to proceed to the real thing. So I'm just gonna mix and match all of these. Yep, here we go. Oh, I'm actually still wearing my ankle support border right here.
Let you go. Let you go. Paris, I won't let you go. Oh, Paris, I won't let you go.
So, yeah, I guess that's it. All of it, guys. You can probably just mix and match with it. You could help me, guys. Just comment down your mix and match ideas, and probably it would help me in deciding on what to wear on my niece's birthday. I had a hard time in all of those transitions and all. Yeah. From what I just did, I actually love this outfit. This one, this SHEIN top. Actually, na siya Paris na sayal and bikini bottom. Also this one. Yeah, but I don't know if I will have the confidence, like the whole set of confidence during that night. Well, yeah, anyway, I'll be vlogging the birthday party of my niece, Franceen. So yeah, don't forget to click that notification bell right there so that you will be updated when will I be uploading my next vlog or wearing what outfit I decided to wear. Thank you so much all for watching until the end. I love you so much, guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. You know the drill. Bye!